Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi if you're new. I'd love if you guys hit that subscribe button down below along with a little bell notification. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my winter go-to hair, outfit, and makeup. So I'm going to be sharing you guys how I get my curls, how I did this makeup look, and my go-to outfit for the winter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you guys like it. And let me know in the comments down below what your favorite thing about winter is because I would love to know. But I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's just get into it. Okay, so starting off with my makeup, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and I'm just going to be putting this around my T-zone and making sure all my skin is nice and smooth. And if you're like me, my lips have been so chapped, so I'm going to put on some chapstick. Then I'm going to be using my Alame concealer and cover up any blemishes that I have. I'm going to be taking my Real Techniques beauty sponge and blending out that, and then I'm going to be using my CoverGirl BB cream just as a nice foundation on my face. I'm going to be taking Tarte Shape Tape, and this is my favorite concealer. I know I look a little crazy, but it just works wonders, and I'm going to be blending that out with my little sponge. I personally love setting my concealer, so I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild contouring palette, and I'm going to be using my Real Techniques setting brush to set my concealer. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to be taking my sculpting brush and putting on some contour on my cheekbones, on my forehead, and around my nose. And once that's done, I'm going to be taking my setting brush and cleaning up my contour. Next, I'm going to be taking my Fit Me by Maybelline blush, and this is so pretty, and I love adding this in the winter, so I just add it on top of my cheekbones and blend it back. Finally, we're adding my favorite part, highlight. So I'm going to be using this Born to Glow by NYX highlight. It's a really nice dupe of Benefit's High Beam, and I'm just going to be adding this on my nose, my cheekbones, and I'm going to be taking my little blending sponge and blending it all out. After that, I'm going to be taking my Pixie highlight and a fan brush by Real Techniques and adding some more highlight on top of it just to really make my highlight pop. Okay, so now we're going to be using my Profusion Brow Palette, and I love this stuff, so I'm just going to be like gelling my eyebrows. I don't even really know what this is called, but it kind of keeps them in shape, and then I'm going to spoolie them out, and then I'm going to be taking the lighter shade and adding some more color and shape to my eyebrows. And guys, I've been trying to grow my eyebrows out because I over tweezed them a while ago, so I'm just growing them out, and I haven't tweezed them for 2 weeks. I'm going crazy. Then I'm going to be taking my new favorite eyeshadow palette by Profusion. I'm going to be using the Halo shade for my base of my eyelid, and I'm so new to eyeshadow, you guys. I'm playing it safe. Then taking Personal in my like outer corner, and that's just a really fun like pinky orange color. And in my corner of my eyelid, I'm going to be taking the shade Recharge, and I love it because it's just dark enough for me, but it's like not over the top. Next, I'm going to be curling my eyelashes and putting on a simple base coat of mascara with this volumizing mascara. And then my favorite part, my fake lashes. I tried to film this, but then I messed up, and yeah, so all you really see is me putting the glue on and letting the glue dry, but then it took me 2 times to get them on, but you know, baby steps. And I gotta add some mascara to the bottom lashes as well, and this one is from Deck of Scarlet. And finally, the lipstick. I am using the Kylie Lip Kit today. This is in the shade Candy K. Absolutely love it. I couldn't find the lip liner, so I just put on the lipstick. And that's the look. So now we are going to do my hair. So I have been loving my curly hair, so I'm just using my curling wand by Numi. It is a 1 inch, and I'm just going to take my hair out of the bun, and it was honestly a hot mess. I like went to bed with a wet hair, and then it was in a bun, so it was just really wild. So I brushed it out and parted it so the top half was up, and then I'm just going to section out my hair. And I recently have been doing forward curls like this, and I hold it, let it like cool down a little bit, and then what I'm going to do that's different is a backwards facing curl, and that makes it look very natural. So then when it's around your face, you want to frame your face, so it's going to be forward again. And then I'm just going to keep repeating that all throughout my hair. And it's so simple, you guys, but since my hair is getting longer, it does take a little longer than I'm used to, but it's so cute. And once it's all done, I'm going to go by and fix the pieces that are framing my face just to make sure it looks really smooth and curly and cute. And I just recently started doing this. So I'm going to take my flat iron. This is by Irresistible Me. It's their black diamond flat iron. And I'm going to be straightening the ends of my hair because my curls are so wild, and I just feel like this really cleans it up, but it also has like a beachy fun wave look to it, I guess. But I just started doing that, and my bangs are still growing out, so I'm just going to flat iron those a little bit because I don't like curling them. And my final step to my hair for every day is adding some Moroccan Sleek Oil by Garnier. This just adds a nice shine to it, but it just makes it look so good because it's like less frizzy and everything. So now we are going on to my go-to winter outfit. This is like my ideal outfit. So I did share this on Instagram today, which is just that Kellyprepster, but I have on a polo Ralph Lauren sweater, my J. Crew herringbone vest, a flannel underneath from Southern Shirt Company. I have some Hunter Welly boots on, and my jeans are from Abercrombie & Finch. I have a super cute monogram necklace on, and these are seriously so personal and so special, you guys. I love mine. And I have on some Lily and Laura bracelets, my Kate Spade watch, a monogram ring from Marley Lily, and my nails are painted Forever Yummy by Ezzy. I just think it's such a cute look, and I'm also carrying my Longchamp purse as well. So that is my go-to makeup, hair, and outfit. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys are new to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button down below. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. And I'll see you guys very soon with my next one. Bye, guys!